first step to proceed with your data science community building is thinking of an idea, not just a uh, not just an idea that everyone can implement, but an crazy idea that comes to your mind. Say for example, uh, someone who is sitting on a balcony and he or she is imagining about what do we do next, and something sparks in their mind. That is what I call the definition of a crazy idea. So uh, anything which even when you are thinking, you try to laugh at, or when you tell to your close ones, they also laugh at, and they think you are gone mad. And that is what the definition of a crazy idea is, and that is the starting point of where you will build a not only a data science community but any good deep community. So the idea of a deep community is where people of similar character, of good level of kindness and like-mindedness, where uh, everyone is trying to help each other. That is where a true deep community lies, and that also lives longer than the people who created that. So I'll tell an example about that in the later stage of this session. So I'm really happy that Hack Weekly data science community has reached so many people and has affected many people, so that they have made a transition in their jobs, and it has become a mini stack overflow also. If there are any technical questions, they'll ask there. And if there are any personal questions, say for example they wanted to buy a laptop for data science and machine learning activities, they can ask that. So it is kind of a family that helps you every time in each and every step of uh, your entire journey. So that's why you need to focus on building deep communities rather than shallow communities. For example, you think of building a community and you start approaching certain people uh, from your friend circle. For example, if they are just wanting to consume something from the group rather than trying to help. uh, for example, one person is trying to consume always, but they don't want to help others. Then I think that person can be there in the group, but the majority of them cannot be just consumers. So they should consume and they should be willing to help others whenever they are in a position to help. So that is where the concept of or the idea of deep communities comes into play. So